Hey everyone, now we are going to unbox these two parcels. So let's quickly open up. Here we have their card. That's good. So let's open this bundle. Yeah, this is a good type of packing. So you can see we have got the new 12th edition book. You can see 12th edition new book, and this is 10th edition. Actually, during that year, you can see the year 2023-24. During that year, I didn't purchase this book, so now I got it at a good offer. Brand new book. So this is the 12th edition new book. You can see 12th edition. The year is 25 to 26. So if you like to get this book's review, you can comment. I will make separate video. So let's check other parcel. So let's quickly open this. So here we have some sponge work. So let's check what we have. Here's the bundle. You can see a good pack bundle, and that's all inside, nothing more. Sponge items. Okay, let's quickly check what we have in this bundle. Okay, so let's quickly check what we have here. You can see it's a bunch of coins. Yes, let me check a sample. You can see half rupee of government of India during the period of independence. I mean republic. During the period of republic, this is the first set of coins for Republic India. So half rupee we have, like, let's count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 and 50. So in this bunch of roll we have 50 coins of half rupee Republic India. So in this video we unboxed two books, that is 10th edition and 12th edition, and 50 coins of half rupee of government of India, the first republic coins. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button.